Hello and welcome to your favorite thing in the whole world, or at least one of them. At least I hope that. I can say that, right, intern? I don't know. Either way, don't forget, you can follow me on Twitter at CNY Jeff Matthews, on Instagram by the same name, and Tumblr as well. On the homepage, this new box leads you to news and events going on with CNY the Weathertainment, things that will be updated and changing, like the fall foliage report, and the Kids Corner is now populated, and we are now live streaming. What does that mean? You're going to have to Google it, my friends. My intern tells me it's a good thing, though. It's basically doing the weather live as opposed to on tape. So you'll see it actually like it's broadcast via the TV set, but on your cell phone. So you download that app, it's free, and then you follow Jeff Matthews, and I will be programming in times that you'll get your live weather. Meanwhile, 52 is the average high. It'll warm up the next several days on a warm wind, especially on a Wednesday when the winds will be huffing and puffing with stormy weather, unfortunately. And then a cold wind Thursday night and Friday, driving the thermometer down. And then it'll meander warmer over the upcoming weekend, including Saturday, which is a big deal for the kids, including you and me. Meanwhile, the remnants of Patricia are going to affect us on Wednesday. Rain and some wind. Meanwhile, the temps are going to warm up a bit through Thursday, but as you saw, they're also going to cool off a bit on Friday. Saturday will be a day of recovery, so I'll still call it mild and dry 4 or 5 days out. This area of high pressure brought us the sunshine on Monday, the relatively quiet night Monday night, and will bring us the sunshine on Tuesday, but it is moving out to sea. Out to sea, what's in its wake? Well, there's a storm across the Dakotas. I want to point this out on the water vapor imagery. See the spin? It's drawing that moisture from the Gulf northwards. Can you see how that's happening? The flow ahead of the first storm out west is yanking on that storm across the Gulf Coast and grabbing that moisture, and guess where it's headed? Your backyard and mine. I think the heaviest potentially flooding rains will be western New York, Pennsylvania, and eastern Ohio, but we are going to get our fair share here. Just not so much today. As a matter of fact, it's totally quiet, radar-wise, across the great state of New York. And it will stay that way, not just for today, as high pressure moves on through and moseys to our east tonight, but then tomorrow, by the time you're awake, the clouds will have moved in overnight tonight, and by tomorrow after 8 a.m., all bets are off as the rain comes down and beats the band and pounds the ground. Tomorrow, mid-morning through afternoon, and then on and off showers into Thursday, which I will detail in your forecast after you check out the almanac, where I predicted a high-low of 50-30 for Monday, and it was 51-28. And I will have your complete forecast in just a moment.
Hey, Coach, we need you in the team now.
Yeah, give me a second. I've got to check my Weathertainment.
Hey, Coach, what play are we going to run off the face-off this time?
Hey, I'll tell you in a second. I've got to check my Weathertainment.
Forecast begins with Tuesday, mainly sunny today, and a tad or a skosh or a pinch milder, with a high of double nickels, 55. Clear early this evening, but then clouding up late, setting the stage for that storm moving northwards, a low of 38, but then rising after midnight. Cloudy and breezy for your Wednesday with heavy rain mid-morning through afternoon, a high near 60, on and off rain into Thursday. It turns sharply colder Thursday night. I think there's going to be a lot of lake effect clouds on Friday, maybe even a flurry or sprinkle in the breeze. Saturday, Halloween day, looks fine. With increasing clouds in the afternoon, there could be some rain after sunset for the trick-or-treaters. That is your forecast. Have a great Tuesday.